Hi guys, this is lesson number 61 from our CorelDRAW training course series. In this exercise, we are going to create this stylish, beautiful business card in CorelDRAW. Actually, we will be learning more about advertising stuff in our coming lesson, such as how to export your brochure or flyer or business card to the final PDF that you will use for printing press or advertising company to print. But here I will give you simple idea how to create a business card. CorelDRAW has given the template for business card. At the bottom you can see here we have a curve, and this beautiful curve we will create with the pen tool, and using smart fill we will get these shapes. We will fill it with the interactive fill. Here is a simple text, and there is a characters that I took from the text and glyph, that is the insert character docker in the previous version of CorelDRAW. Now it is here in the glyph. You can press Ctrl F11 also, that is a shortcut key to access that docker. And also we will create this simple logo by using a rectangle tool. So let's get started. First of all, we will set our document to the business card size. To do this, go to the file, new, and here you can see that we have a preset custom is active. We are not going to do anything here. Number of pages we have 2, because previously I created that is having front and back. So here we have one-sided business card, so we don't need 2 pages, we can make it 1. CMYK color, it should be checked since it is for printing. And you can see the page size, it is set to business card. Previously I have done this. You might have letter size page or any other that you choose here. So you need to click on business card, and the standard business card size in CorelDRAW is 3.5 by 2 inches, resolution 300, and then simply click OK. So this is how you can create the document with a business card size. I am not going to do, since I have here, I will cancel it. So here we are going to prepare this card. The first thing, we need to create a rectangular shape with the page size that we will intersect with the lines. Double click on rectangle. So CorelDRAW created one rectangular shape with the document size. So let's apply some light color for outline. So let's try to create these shapes with the pen tool. Click on pen tool, and here we have a line. We'll just create simple line, and using smart fill we will fill different colors. So just click and drag, and then double click on the endpoint to end up the line. So this is how we have a curve. The next curve I am going to start again. Pen tool, click and drag. Okay, and double click on the endpoint to close. Now we can use shape tool to adjust if we want. Click on shape tool, click on this node, and wherever you want you can place. You can expand from the directional handles. Here we have third line close to this, so if we want we can copy by pressing plus key. You can copy this curved line and just bring it here, and from this side we can stretch a little bit. And then we have here another line. You can see that it is from the left to right all the way. So this one also we will create with the pen tool. Click and drag, double click to close the line. Another on the top here we have. Okay, double click to close, and there is another separate curve from the right side we need to create. Once again we'll click on pen tool. Okay, so double click to close. Now we can duplicate by pressing plus key. We have another copy. Just move up, click in the middle and rotate. So here we have this shape. So our basic structure, it is ready. Since we have a rectangular shape here, so we will be able to fill by using smart fill. So let's try. Here we have smart fill. Under interactive fill, click on smart fill. The default color is gray, and we will leave it as it is. So click in the first line intersection. We have one shape, 2, 3, this will be the 4, 5, and this side we have a 6. So this is how simple it is. Now we can delete all the line because we have already shapes. So click on pick tool, and you need to select the line one by one because the shapes are there. If I will select this way, now the shapes are also selected, so that will be deleted. So we need to select one by one and delete. And from this side we have 2 lines. So this is how we have basic curve structure at the bottom. Now we are going to fill color. Select this shape and fill it with the black. At the bottom also we are going to fill with the black. Here we have 2 color, light blue and dark blue. We can take it by using eyedropper from here. I took actually from color swatch. If you want, you can fill color directly from here. So select this shape, go to the interactive fill and click on drag to just apply color. Now if you want any color from the swatch, you can click on drag the color to the small square here. That color will be filled, but I want to use eyedropper to choose color from here. So I will just click on this square and there is a node color. Click on this drop down and you will see the eyedropper. Click on eyedropper and choose color from this side. Alright, from this side now the light blue, it is filled. We can close. Even if you will not close this, once you will click on other point or square, it will disappear. And now again you will click here and choose eyedropper, and from this side dark. Okay, so this is how we have. In this area we have a light blue, sky blue and dark from this side. So same thing, we will select this object first, go to the pick tool, select this object, interactive fill, click on drag. From this side I want dark color, so I'll click on node color, drop down and click on color eyedropper and choose color from this side. If I want, I can make it more dark. I can move this point here, and now from the other side I will click here, and once again I will click on this drop down, click on eyedropper and choose color from this side, and then close it. So this is how we have smooth transition between dark and light. Here we have a solid color, dark blue, both sides it is same. So we can select this, click on pick tool, select this shape and this. Here we have, by pressing shift key you can select both, and let's choose eyedropper this time. Here we have eyedropper, click it and choose this color and simply click inside to fill it. So this is how we created this beautiful curve at the bottom of the business card. Now we have an outline. If we want, we can remove outline. We can select all of them and right click simply here to move the outline. Now the next thing here, we have a small logo. This is what we created with the rectangle. Click on rectangle and just draw a simple rectangle by pressing Ctrl key. While rectangle tool is selected, you can see here we have convert to curve. Click it. Now use shape tool, simply double click and move this point somewhere here. Select these 2 points and bring them back by pressing Ctrl key to maintain the same horizontal alignment. Alright, now we are going to select this point, press Ctrl key and bring it up. From the bottom, this point I will select, press Ctrl key and move. Now we are going to mirror and duplicate to the other side. So click on pick tool, just hold it from this midpoint, press Ctrl key and drag to the other side. While you are holding the left mouse key, right click. Okay, so it is mirror and copied. Now we are going to select both of them and click on weld. So it is one object. Now inside we have another element. We will duplicate this by pressing plus key and make it small. Just bring it inside this way. Click on shape tool and delete that point by double click on each point, and here we have this way. Click on the bottom point and just move it up. Now if we want, we can increase the outline. Select, it's a 0.5, maybe it's a 1.5. That is very nice. And inside we are going to add color. We can use eyedropper. Bring to the outline, so outline will be filled also. Here only outline we need, so same color is added here. Click on pick tool, move both object. If you want, you can adjust the size, and that's all. Now here we have text. Using text tool, you can type text. Here we have a symbols that I took from the insert character that is now in CorelDRAW 2020 under text named glyph. Once you will click, you will be able to see all the characters, and we are here under wingdings. Okay, you can click here and you can choose any category here. So I choose from the wingdings. But one thing more, here we have another shape. You can see that the blue, this is easy to create. We have here the basic shape, that is rectangle. Press plus key. Now we have two in the same place. We are going to reduce the size and simply click on convert to curve. Click on shape tool, click on this point and bring it back. Now if I want to add curve here, I can click and then convert to curve, and we have two directional handles. So I'll click and just drag to give a shape. Now if we want to fill color, once the shape is selected, I will fill it with white and press Ctrl key and click on the blue to get some light blue shade and remove the outline. So this is how we have. If you want to add more blue, press Ctrl key and once again click on the blue. So this is how it is added. Now our business card is ready. We are going to add the text. From here you can take the company name and business slogan, and this side in this portion I'm going to add the person name, his designation, phone number, email and website, and I'm going to bring it here. Now you can see that this is how simple it is. We created business card. In our coming lesson we will be learning how to export it to make PDF that you can present to the printing press or advertising company for printing purpose. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and try to practice. Guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell button so you will always get notification once I will upload new video. Thank you.